Today we're going to review how to import and add songs into the iPad app for Worship Inc. We'll start by loading the app itself. This first window here is an available playlist that you could join. Right now there's nobody else using Worship Inc. on our network, so that's why this dialog window is blank. Simply tapping on the screen will minimize this window. We're going to start off by pressing the top leftmost icon, which is the playlist icon. Here it'll bring up several options to control, add, and delete songs to our current playlist. We'll start off by pressing the plus button to add a song. Here in my local database, we already have a couple of songs. Simply tapping the song itself will automatically add it to our playlist. But say there's a song that I don't already have and I want to maybe search for it. I can also use the online search tool by pressing online. Then I'll tap the search button at the top. Then I'll enter the text that I want to search for. Then I press the search button on the keyboard. Here we'll see all these songs that come up. We'll add 2 or 3 of them. And we'll see that they automatically add to our current playlist. Now, clicking outside of this window will bring us back to where we were. Here, if I highlight a song by tapping on it, then pressing the up and down arrows, I can move songs in the playlist to adjust the kind of exact order of songs that I want to use. Now, say there's a song that's not on the online search database. Well, you can find the song in Safari or even enter the text manually. To do that, we press the quick add button at the top. Here, we can manually copy and paste text or enter it manually ourselves. I already have a song loaded up in Notes. Here we'll long press and do a select all, copy, then go back into Worship Inc. and then paste. The song's there. Now you see this is the exact same text that was in the Notes app. I'll press done and it imports our song into Worship Inc. Now, a couple of other key features how to control different songs and move through songs is by clicking on the song itself, the text itself will minimize the playlist. Now, if I want to get back to that, I simply click the playlist icon at the top, or if I want to go back, I tap on the song itself. At the top here, we have capo options. I can press the plus button on the capo, and it will add capo. If I want to kind of go back down, I press the minus, and it goes back down in terms of capo positioning. Also, I can print a song if you have an AirPrint capable connected to your iPad. Also, if I want to hide the chords, and if I'm just a vocalist, I can do that by pressing the guitar button, and it'll just toggle back and forth, whatever custom thing. As you see, I can remove the chords here and there. Now, if I want to switch between songs, I simply just swipe my finger from left to right to go one way, then right to left to move up and down the playlist in the other direction. Just a quick way to do it. You can do it with a swipe of a finger real quick, and when you're on stage or while you're playing guitar. Now, say I want to change the look of how my songs are being displayed. I can simply do that by going to the playlist icon and then selecting the gears icon at the bottom. And there's a dark theme integrated right into the iPad app itself. When I select that and I slide it over to the on, now it's a black background with white text. And this may be easier to view when on stage, when lighting is low. Gives you a slightly higher contrast display. One other quick feature is if you double tap on the screen, it will hide the menu bar at the top. Double tapping it will bring it back up again. You can also do this by using this top rightmost icon, this arrow here. It'll do the same thing, and you double tap to bring it back up. But that just kind of goes over a quick overview of different features related to importing and adding songs, and then just controlling them either by swiping them across or loading back your playlist and single tapping on the song itself. This should give you a basic functionality of how the iPad for Worship Inc. works. And I hope that you enjoy using the iPad app for Worship Inc. as much as I do.